Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to another video of Tech World, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the or oreo update for the S7 Edge all models. Before starting I want to clear it that it is not made for Samsung Flat, as the touch screen will not work and it will not boot. And like, if you have not for installing the ROM you need root and twrp recovery. So if you don't have those two things, you can go in the description and click on the link in which I have gone through a rooting tutorial for the S7 Edge, and you can root your phone. Afterwards, if you want to see how the ROM looks, you can go on another video of mine in which I have shown how it looks. The link will be given in the description below, and then you're gonna go on a site. The link will again be given in the description below. As you guys can see, I'm already uploading the root as some routing video, so it's gonna take some time. And I'm gonna go to this one over here. And no, first of all I should go to Extia, as it's a more appropriate site. So from here we are gonna scroll down to the this one, and it's gonna start loading. Afterwards you're gonna download the files. Once these are downloaded, you are gonna copy them to your USB, which you can also connect to your phone, or you can put the file into your SD card. I have used a USB drive and a connectors to connect it. As you guys can see, I have already copy pasted it and downloaded it, so I don't need to download or copy paste it again. I'm just gonna unplug it and set it to the USB connector, and I'm gonna shift to my phone, and I will not need this laptop anymore. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I have just converted it to my phone, and I'm gonna power it off, and I'm gonna press the volume up plus power plus home button, so it goes to the TWRP recovery. I'm gonna hold them a bit, so now I'm gonna let them go, and the TWRP will be opened. Afterwards, what you're gonna go is go to wipe, and you can swipe. Then you're gonna clear Delvic system internal storage. If you don't want to delete the internal storage, you can do that, but it is better if you clean the internal storage. And then swipe to wipe. Afterwards, we are gonna format the data by writing yes, so the data is formatted. Okay, it's done. So we're gonna go back, install, select storage. If you are using SD card, then you will press the SD card, but in my case I'm going to use an USB, so I'm gonna connect this USB connector to the phone, and then I'm gonna press the USB OTG and press OK. Gonna go down and find the ROM. I have found the ROM, and swipe to confirm, and it will start to install. As you guys know, it is an official ROM because it was leaked by Samsung, and a person made a person made the ROM of it. So yeah, it is official in other words. So I think so it's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna pause the video and come back afterwards. So as you guys can see, it is done, and this Samsung Xperia 9.0 is added to it, and there's the Android version 8.0.0, and the ROM version is 1.1, but we don't need that. And I'm gonna swipe to, and then I'm gonna leave the phone because the first boot takes a lot of time and I don't want to waste your time. So yeah, I'm gonna close this. So guys, it is done booting up, and now it's installing application in this weird language. I don't know what it means, but I definitely know that it is installing applications. So it's about to complete, and oh my god, so I think so it is Chinese. Oh shit, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna choose English, and English United Kingdom. Okay, start. Oh, sorry, start. So next, as I don't want to do anything in front of you guys, as it will waste your time. Next. So guys, I can tell you guys one thing, as I have already once installed this ROM and then came back to Nougat, that this ROM is faster than the official ROM. Yeah, so it is totally faster from the ROM, and it comes with very nice features and I love them. Like the always on display is changed, there's this cool app drawer and many more things about this phone. Like in music there are lights, like edge lightning, and like lock screen and clock and face wind. Actually I don't want to do this because I have already made a video about that, so you guys can go and check the video. But I can show you guys one thing, that over here I am on SMG93550 and it's my IMEI number, and the software information is Samsung Experience version 9.0 and 8.0.0. So yeah, and as you guys can see that it is showing my original model number, which means it is real, because fake ROMs do not show model number of original model number, but they also don't show this. They show like SMG, like bit like the baseband. So yeah, bye guys, see you guys in the next video. I will be making another roaming video, so if you want to see that, you should probably subscribe and like this video. Goodbye guys.